What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog ramps. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. PetSafe CozyUp Bed Ramp. This bed ramp by PetSafe is stunning and long-lasting in the same way. The wood finish provides an attractive aspect to any room with two different colors, cherry and white. The carpet is made of heavy duty to provide your dog with the traction they need to walk up and down the ramp without falling. The ramp is large enough to allow an ever-slowing slope, which means it's not enough for your pup to climb. The ramp was rated by customers as having 4.5 stars from 4,000 plus reviews. Most of the reviews stated that building the ramp was simpler than they had anticipated, and it was strong enough for dogs of all sizes. They also said that dogs adapted to the ramp with ease, and it didn't require much convincing to get them to take it up, probably due to the gradual slope. Also, it was noted that due to the gradual slope, the ramp was larger than the average ramp and took up more space. Number 2. PetSafe CozyUp Sofa Ramp. PetSafe's wooden ramp is the ideal height to help your dog move around on every couch. It's made of gorgeous cherry wood that will look great with any decor and has a heavy-duty carpet to provide your dog with traction. We love how simple to fold it into easily while remaining sturdy when in use. Customers are enthralled by their height as well as the gradual rise of this dog ramp foldable and the landing zone on the top. It was simple to put together and the feature of folding allows for easy storage. One complaint some customers had was that the carpet was slightly slippery for older dogs, whereas those with more mobile dogs have reported having no issues. The ramp size and depth for the majority of breeds of dogs. Number 3. PetGear Tri-Fold Ramp. The dog ramp made by PetGear features a reflective surface that will aid your dog when walking either up or down the vehicle. It's also resistant to skids even when wet to ensure your dog is in a safe and secure position. We like the rubber grippers at the bottom of the ramp, which help ensure it stays stable when in use. It also features an integrated handle that makes mobility easy, and it folds into a design that makes it easier to store. Based on over 4,000 reviews, users have given this ramp a rating of 4 stars. They are impressed by the strength of the rubber on the underside, as well as the ability to fold it down, making packing it into your vehicle or at your home a breeze. The customer said that although it is on a higher slope than other ramps that often pose problems for dogs with a higher age, they did not have any difficulties getting their dogs used to this ramp. Number 4. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs. PetSafe's CozyUp folding pet steps require no assembly and are easily foldable to put under the couch or the bed when they are not being used. They come with non-skid flooring and tread covers made of fabric to ensure your dog is safe as they climb on and off of furniture. There's also the option of purchasing a large model, which comes with an extra wide ramp, which can be used by any size dog. With more than 44,000 reviews and an average of 4.3 star ratings, it's safe to say that people love this dog-friendly step. They are extremely light but extremely sturdy, able to hold dogs of any size. They also feature built-in rails on the sides to stop your dog from sliding off the steps while climbing. Some customers have complained that one issue is that the rubber pads at the bottom aren't as secure as they had hoped. Placing a rug on top or a towel seems to prevent any movement that is not wanted. Number 5. Chazzing Tails Dog Ramp. The deluxe dog ramp made by Chazzing Tails is extremely secure and constructed with non-slip, paw-friendly material, as well as adjustable rails that prevent your pet not falling from the top or side of the ramp. We like how easily the ramp can be adjusted between 10 and 20 inches to fit the height of many couches and beds. It's simple to put together and easily folds flat to make it easy to store when not in use. It's made of high-quality wood to ensure stability, but is ideal for medium to small-sized dogs. Even with just 360 positive reviews from Amazon, the dog ramp has become a popular choice for customers. They like the small installation and the flat fold feature for easy storage when it is not being used. The ability to adjust the height of 6 levels allowed them to use it in a variety of locations in their home. Many customers have complained that it wasn't able to stand up to their large pets and suggested that this ramp is suitable for medium and small breeds. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.